So the big announcement from the BJP coming in, Narendra Modi to contest elections from Varanasi and BJP President Rajnath Singh to contest elections from Lucknow. All the dissent that was brewing within the BJP has been sorted out. It was a marathon 12-hour meeting that we saw in the Central Election Committee meeting that went on at the BJP headquarters earlier today. And finally, Murli Manohar Joshi will contest from Kanpur. Also, all the Delhi seats being decided. Important seats in Delhi will be Meenakshi Lekhi from New Delhi, Manoj Tiwari from Northeast Delhi, Harsh Vardhan, the former chief ministerial candidate of the BJP in the Delhi Assembly election, going to contest from Chandni Chowk. Joining us from outside the BJP headquarters is Aishwarya Kapoor. Aishwarya, what really did go on in the meeting? How was Murli Manohar Joshi finally convinced about vacating Varanasi for Narendra Modi?
Well, Navika, marathon meeting and the parliamentary board which took place right prior to the CEC today, this very issue was brought up, and then Murli Manohar Joshi, according to our sources, conveyed it to Rajnath Singh and Narendra Modi that now for the first time when it's being discussed, he would like to make it official that he has no problem. The only problem he had, according to our sources which he conveyed, that it was not officially told to Murli Manohar Joshi one-on-one either by Rajnath Singh or by Narendra Modi, and basically it came into the media. So that was the point for the former BJP national president. But now he was convinced in the prior parliamentary board itself that he said that he's ready to give his seat for Narendra Modi, and now he's contesting from Kanpur, Narendra Modi from Varanasi. And this was one critical point which Rajnath Singh wanted a smooth transition about, because he would not have wanted right prior to the election the former BJP national president to be miffed, and that is exactly what they've been able to do. They have had a smooth transition, and now they have Narendra Modi, their prime ministerial candidate from Varanasi, Murli Manohar Joshi from Kanpur, and Rajnath Singh himself from Lucknow. Navika.
Also importantly, there was a big fight that was brewing as far as Shatrughan Sinha versus Ravi Shankar Prasad was concerned for the seat of Patna Sahib in Bihar. What we do understand is Shatrughan Sinha has been decided. Is the BJP, or was the BJP really concerned about the opposition coming in from Shatrughan Sinha, the dissenting view which the BJP wanted to avoid at this stage, any controversy, which is why Shatrughan Sinha has been repeated?
Well, that's right, because BJP doesn't want any kind of rebellion, any kind of revolt right prior to these elections. They want it smooth. The only opposition they want is the Congress right now, and not from within. And that is why what we are being told, that the party president alongside Narendra Modi have tried to keep it to the minimal. And that is one of the most important reasons that why Shatrughan Sinha has been chosen over Ravi Shankar Prasad for that very particular seat, because it was known to all that Shatrughan Sinha, if he was not given that seat, he would have created a lot of problem for Rajnath Singh and Narendra Modi. So thus that was one of the most contentious points over which Shatrughan Sinha was chosen over Ravi Shankar Prasad.